Welcome to the project demonstration of four-step power generation system and mobile phone charging by using the RFID. So here we are going to generate the power from these piezo plates. In this one we have mounted the 9 piezo plates. That's 3 are in series and these 3 are in series and 3 are in series. Again these 3 sets are in parallel so that we will get the maximum voltage which is sufficient to charge our 5-volt battery. So here parallelly this voltage is given as input to this charging circuits as well as input to the microcontroller. So the microcontroller will measure the voltage which is coming out from these piezo plates and displayed on the LCD screen. And parallelly, if anyone want to recharge a mobile phone, just show the tag. Then the output power will be given as input to the mobile phone for charging purpose for 60 seconds of duration. Once the time completes, then automatically the relay is used to provide the power supply and disconnect the power supply to the charging section from the battery. So here battery is rechargeable battery 5 volt 3 amps we are providing because 3 4 volt 1 amp batteries are in parallel, so we will get 4 volt 3 amps and when it is fully charged one, so it will provide us 5.2 volts, so which is the main operating voltage for the mobile phone charging section. So here we are using EM18 RFID reader which we have interfaced at the B0 pin and LCD at pin number B2 to B7 and a piezo plate at A0 and relay for the C3 pin. So let us see the demonstration. So on the power supply, and then we can see the welcome message on the LCD screen, and after that it will ask for the waiting for the tag. So when we show the tag, so it will check with the database. Right. So when you show the tag, this particular light will off. Right. We can see that the power is provided for the charging circuits. So we can see the time also running over there. So if I press input to that, so we can observe the voltage increasing on this LCD. See, we are pressing that. Right. You can see the voltage is increasing from this piezo plate section. So here the power flow is 230 volts AC input to this regulated power supply board through this step down transformer which will step down the 230 volts AC to 12 volts of AC, and the 12 volts AC will be converted into 5 volts of DC from this regulated power supply board. So it has a 3 stages: rectifier, filter and regulation. Rectifier to convert the AC to pulsating DC, filter to remove the pulses to get the pure DC voltage, and 700 for regulator which will take 12 volts DC and provide us the 5 volts DC output. Right. As the time completes, the mobile phone charging section was disconnected. So we are demonstrating with this small circuit as just to show the availability of power source at the charging section, as we don't have the B-type charging circuit now. Let me show you the voltage generation. Right. Thank you.